When we first bought this house, we didn't know it would become the backdrop to so many firsts.
First meals shared in the kitchen where laughter mixes with the scent of home-cooked dinners.
First snowball fights in the backyard where giggles echo and tiny footprints tell stories.
First pets, if you count the chickens, teaching our kids the joy of simple things. First big imaginations, these walls have held so many adventures.
First bedtime stories, whispered dreams, and quiet moments where time seemed to slow down. First nights of each of our babies, rocking them to sleep and wondering how we got to be so lucky.
And of course, first holiday traditions, hanging lights no matter how cold or high up on the roof.
But what we'll miss most? The people. This neighborhood isn't just a place, it's a family.
This house was a perfect beginning for us. Now it's ready for someone new to write their own story.